Again, ready to entertain here at Yarmouth Stadium. Stunt Mania 2000. Oh my goodness me! Oh bless him! There he is. Come on, Dibs. Your crowd awaits you. We need the AA for the rover. We've managed to change the wheel, the gearbox, and indeed the differential. Now the blasted thing's run out of petrol. Marvellous, isn't it? Best laid plans in the world. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see Dibs again? He is absolutely bonkers. Hey, but he is great fun, and he is the current Yarmouth Stadium banger ramp rollover champion. Will he hold the title again this year? We'll wait and see. How many points did Dibs get in his first run?
170.
170. Here we go then. It's Dibs, ladies and gentlemen. Off he goes in the slightly noisy Ford Escort 1.3 GL. Ready to entertain here at Yarmouth Stadium. Get ready to make some noise. He approaches the ramp. This will be awesome. Oh, you nit. What about my guy? Distance 4 foot. Oh, we did roll. That's the best roll we've had. Oh, Dibs, you are a star. Our top technical team here. And one of them uttered, "Why don't you lose some weight?" Let's see if it runs again. Oh! Would you like to see him again? The crowd want more. He's amazing. He will take his victory stance aboard the roof, no doubt. Bringing the ramp rollover part of this evening's entertainment to a conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, there's Dibs. Make him feel good. Wonderful. Did it just lose power as you approached the ramp?
No, I thought I'd do something different.
Yes, you are well known for doing things differently, aren't you? Okay, well...